Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Panasonic brand front loader washing machine. This is 12 by 8, that's mean 12 wash and dry 8. This is digital inverter system, inverter motor. This machine having problem, actually it's showing error message E30, and now I'm going to resolve this issue. Actually, according to our field technician, they know what is the exact problem. The E30 mean related with the door switch, otherwise main control board, harness assemble. Yeah, we have to check everything. First of all, we will check what is the exact problem and we will try to resolve this issue. Now I will show you the problem this machine. I have already given power connection. Now I'm selecting here any option. Here I'm selecting direct spin cycle. This one here only spin cycle. After that I will start the machine. You can see here within a few minutes, it is with few seconds it will show E30. Door not actually closing, because of that still not occurring the issue. Now you can see here E30, it's showing already. Now while we open the door, we can open the door also. The hinge, door hinge, everything okay, perfect. Door lock also here is nothing to worry. That one also not got defect. This is the problem actually. Now we have to resolve the issue. First we will open the door switch and we will check, and we will replace the another door switch. After that it's happening the same issue. We have to go for the next step, that's main control board. Now we will remove the gasket ring first. After that we can remove the gasket. We will remove the gasket ring first here. Now we will first of all we will off the power switch because of the safety. Now I already power off. Now we can remove the door switch. Release the gasket also here. Now we can remove the door switch here, 2 screws. Now we can release the connector here, harness assemble. Now it is look like it's not burning or something, but anyway this is the problem. This door switch not getting locked. Now I will do one thing. I will replace with another door switch. Now we have same door switch here. We can replace here the connectors, everything at same. We can replace and we will check it is whether working or not. If it is not working, we have to go. We need to go to the next step. That's main control board. Actually, the new door switch, and I will fix with this one, and we will check. Yes. And we will fix to the machine direct. After that we can check. After also door switch is happening same, it's occurring the same error message. We have to check the main control board, harness assemble and all. Now just simply we will fix the door gasket also here. To fix the rings, we will check one time if it is whether working or not. Now again I will give the power connection here. Now still now I will power on off. Now it's okay. Now again I will select as before, as same before, it is direct spin cycle. I will start the machine. Yes my dear, it is I hear the noise. Here you can see door already got locked. Machine start, spin cycle, drain motor already, drain pump start. It is showing 1200 rpm. It's showing spin process. This is the problem with this machine actually. Panasonic brand, the model wise NAS 128M2 inverter, 12 by 8 kg, 1400 rpm. The machine is running well, no any problem. Now I resolve the problem just simply replacing door switch. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.